Come all, today we will learn to see how we use data validation and using data list type validation, highlighting those value which we are selecting using the drop down. Using drop down, whatever value we are selecting, we are highlighting that full row that we are highlighting. How to achieve this, how we can do, let's see in the sheet 2. In the sheet 2 I have already data. So for data, firstly we have to apply drop down on the name. Just write down enter name so that we understand that, like, after this cell we have to enter a name. Go to data tab, drop down on data validation. On the drop down, select list type validation, and from the source we have to select the source. Like in drop down, what value we want only names, we are selecting the names, and on the drop down we have all the names present. So in after that, we need whatever name we are selecting, we need to highlight that row. First step to do that is called conditional formatting. We are selecting whole of the table. After that, drop down from conditional formatting and we are adding a new rule. We are creating a new rule. Use a formula to determine cell to format. Under that, we have to enter formula start with equal to. We are selecting the first cell, that is our name cell, in which we have removed the dollar sign from 2, and which is equal to the result where drop down is being selected. And on click of format, we are selecting the color. On click of OK, then again OK. So our formatting is being applied to the cell, whatever name we are selecting. We can have a colored whole row for the selected data. This will apply to the data. You can watch the video 2-3 times and you apply using the same formula. You will get a handy approach to use this formula. So do like, share and subscribe the video for more updates.